Hey folks, it's me, the legendary Josh Wolf, here with
The legendary Logan.
the legendary Logan, the one and only.
Yes.
Okay, so we're looking at a real simple program here, and let's actually start this from nothing now so that we can construct it like this. Okay, so it's a new spell, and it's called A. And we're going to do this. So we're going to go const x equals 2, and we want to answer the question, what is x, right? So we're going to use the Magikcraft.io function, and we'll put x in there. So Magikcraft prints things out to your console in Minecraft. Save the spell. Okay, now what do you think? What do you think this program's going to do?
So it's I think it would print number 2 onto the game.
Okay, let's see. So the game cast A 2.
Boom. 2. Y'all.
Okay. What about if I change this to a 5?
It's gonna say 5
5. Okay. Why is it going to say 5?
because here it says like it's constant, so the variable. Well, the x is a variable. Sorry. And it's saying what would be 5 or x in this situation.
Yeah, exactly. So let's try it. Cast A 5. So here we're assigning the value 5 to the variable x. So we call it x. So we could call it anything, right? We could call it RT, we could call one Y, you could even call it like underscore, or you can call it this funky thing. Did you know that?
What is the name of that thing actually?
I think it's called carrot.
Yes, the carrots. That's what you use.
Yeah.
Like if you forget a word.
Actually, can you? I don't know. Actually, I just made that up. Nah, maybe you can't. I know you can use an underscore for sure.
Because there's no red line under it.
Yeah, exactly. It's telling you that it's an error. Let's use Y. That's kind of a classical X and Y, right?
Yeah, good old X and Y, my favourite.
Yeah. Beloved for centuries. Okay, Magikcraft Y. What do you think it's going to say, Logan?
It's gonna say 3.
Okay, let's find out.
I think.
Test the hypothesis. Cast A 3.
Yay.
Okay, what about if we do X plus Y? What's that going to do?
It's gonna say yay. Yay. Definitely 8. 100%.
Definitely 8? 100%?
Yeah.
Is it going to say 100% or is it going to say 8?
It's gonna say 8, 100%.
Okay. You said 8. There's no 100%.
Like, I'm 100% sure it's gonna say 8. That's what I meant.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I got it. Okay. What about if we do this? Let's put Magik.Dixit Z. What's this going to do?
It's gonna say there's like no Z connected to it. Like that. I don't exactly know what it's exactly gonna say, but it's gonna say 12.
Okay, is there a message? Here it is. Reference error. Z is not defined. Okay. How would we fix that in the How would we fix that in here?
We have to change it either to an X or Y or X plus Y.
Is there another way we could do it? Given that we put, we created an X here, we created a Y, then we put them in there. What else could we do?
You could do Y plus X.
Yep. What about this?
We could add another one if we really wanted to.
What would we add?
We'll add constant Logan.
Okay.
Space equals 12.
Okay. Will that fix the error?
No.
Okay. How could we fix this error?
We could go, we have to change that to a Logan. You have to put Logan in there.
Okay. Logan.
And then it would say 12.
Is that how old you are?
Yes, that is.
Well, what's my lucky guess?
Yes.
Cast A. 12. Okay, cool. What about if we did this? What's that going to do?
That's gonna Z equals. I have no idea. Let's test it. See what happens.
What do you think it's going to say?
Well, there's no purple after the equals, so I have like no idea. Maybe it's gonna plus it.
Yep. What would it plus?
The X with a Z, I think. Wait, wouldn't there have to be a Z there?
Yeah, that's right. Otherwise, it's just going to say 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think this is going to say?
It's gonna say, let's think, 17.
17?
I think, maybe.
Oh, it doesn't know what it is. Could be anything. Let's try it out.
Could be anything. Or it could be Z.
17.
Yeah.
There you go.
So good.
Yeah, so variables. You assign a value into the variable. Like that. Okay, here's what we were playing with before, right? Like you can see this world border here.
We cannot go past it no matter what.
What happens if you do go past it? Oh! I'm going red. Oh, you can't actually go past it.
No, you cannot. No matter what, you can never go past it. Like, you can go to bedrock and it's still there.
Really? But
Yeah.
it does disappear up the top there, right?
Yeah, because that's the like
cast
build
fly.
limit. That's the build limit where it ends. I'm pretty sure. You could try and
Okay.
wait.
This
When
is
you
the
jump,
build
does
limit?
it move a bit forward?
I don't think so.
So like that's basically the limit. Like
Wow. Boom.
wait, did you? Wait, go back. Maybe I think you just somehow.
I'm on the other side.
Wait.
I'm on the outside of it.
Oh, wait, trying to drop.
Okay, I'm gonna die because I'm so high. Too slow.
Too slow.
Okay.
You know, you could have just gone up because you already did it.
True. Okay. Well, look. Okay. Let's go back to the spell that we created that with.
Okay, you can try and go return. Maybe that might work.
Here's the spell.
That we prepared earlier.
Here's what we baked earlier.
Yeah.
So it's using variables again, right? So you get yourself, magic get sender, and then you get the world that you're in, and then you assign that into a variable called world, right?
Yeah.
And then here, you're going to have it print out what the world is. This is like checking.
Yeah.
You don't have
Double
to
checking.
Then you're going to get the border, right? So you get the world that you got here. Then you're going to get the world border and put it into a variable called border.
Yeah.
Right? And then we're going to say, print out the border. And then we're going to print out the size of the border.
Which is 25.
Yeah, well,
let's make it bigger.
Well, let's disconnect and we'll come back and... Okay, so we're going to get size. And then let's just comment out this part to start with, right? So we're just going to reconnect and print out the size of the border by default. So if we go back into the develop server here. Okay, and so if I cast A, spell's not here yet. Might add something so it tells you the spells.
Wait, you did cast A, aren't you supposed to do cast border?
Yeah, good call. Cast A.
I used my brain.
It works. Okay, cast. Yeah, good for something, hey? Cast border. Thank you. Here's the default. So it's what's that? 6 million.
So I think if you go keep going that way, it will take hours, but you would reach the border in some time.
60 million.
Just try and TP there, maybe.
Okay, so then what we do is we grab the current location where we are using magic.hic, put it into a variable called here.
Here, which is like where you're standing right.
Right now. Yep. Exactly. And then get the border and set the center of the border to where I'm standing.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then set the size of the border
to 100, please.
100? Okay,
yeah.
Let's try 100 and see what that looks like. Okay. Okay, so it should say the 60 million again, but then it will change the border to 100. So there it is. If I cast it again, I'll say 100.
So basically, just be.
Hey, what about this? Watch this. I can pass in a number, right? Size.
Yeah.
Make it by default 100, and then here.
Power or size.
Yeah, exactly. It's like power and jump, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of.
Yep. Magic.dixit. We'll go set border size to, and we could just say whatever the size was, right?
Okay. It's supposed to be that like money sign.
Yeah. That means that it's going to put the value of size. Otherwise, it would say set border size to size.
Oh, okay.
Right. Like I'll show you the difference. Like if I go like this, take that out like that, right?
Okay. So spell.
Yep.
Let's see the wrong answer.
Let's see what it does when we do that. Cast border. See? Set border size to size. Now watch this. Because you see the name of the variable up here is size.
Yeah.
If I do this, wrong kind of brackets. That one. Okay, watch this. To 100.
So that's basically the automatic, and if you want to like do like 200, for example, would it?
Yep. So if you want to do 200, you go cast border 200.
So it's like, so, wait,
Hey, why don't you join the server and let's try this, right?
let me actually get into Minecraft.
Okay.
Minecraft's like completely closed.
Because you know what would be cool is like it's pretty dangerous weapon. Like what happens to that thing if I go cast border 5? Wah! Is that now that cow is outside the border?
You can never do it.
Yeah,
And then
get out.
and thanks, when I come in, I can never leave.
Well, hang on. I'll go cast border 200, right? So that gives us a big radius because this is where you're going to join.
Yeah. Slowly. Like me.
All right. One player. Is that going to join the developed server?
I'm pretty sure it should. I called it. Oh, oops.
Oh yeah, so hang on, TP all. So I'll just TP you to me. You cool?
There we go. There we go.
Okay.
Would you like a present? I've got some wood.
Oh, thank you. Great.
And here's a torch if it gets dark.
Okay, cool. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, how about if I do this? Oh, don't have the spell blank. Okay, hang on. Let me create one called blank. Blank const there equals magic.aspecto, and then go magic.ny to there. That would be cool. Watch this. Okay,
I'm watching.
back to the game.
Yeah. Oh, did I hit you?
See ya. Cast border 20. Bam! Now you're outside the border.
Wait.
Suffocated in a wall.
Oh, okay. So basically everything that's outside the borderline
Gets killed.
Wait, what? No. Help.
What?
Wait, what? Well, I'm confused now.
Oh no, that's the border behind you. You're just inside it. If I go cast border, hang on, stay where you are.
No.
200.
Wow,
Hang on, stay there, stay there.
I'm such a good game kid.
Stay there. 190. 180. Boom. Okay.
Yeah, I'm watching it here. Like,
Okay.
keep dealing with it. And
70.
Oh.
60.
Oh, okay, I'm
Okay.
outside now. Wait, what happens if I go to that? Okay, I start suffocating.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if you can get back in time.
Oh, jeez. Hey, I
No,
have
you
no
can't.
health. No. Wow.
Okay, now
I'm
you're
in
in trouble.
endless loop.
Oh, dude, this would be brutal if someone cast this.
You know, you could like do like one by one, and everyone else dies outside of you.
Well, yeah, this is like an aerial denial because now your spawn is outside the
Okay,
world border,
please stop me.
so you can never come back alive. So hang on, cast border and make it 300. That will definitely. Oh, 200 should take it out.
Wait, look, you use like 5 hearts.
Hang on.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go, cheerio. So, like, basically, the more you go, I can't go further, but like, the more you are out, but you can't go really far. But the more you're out, the more it suffocates.
Really?
Yeah, like,
Okay.
so if you like, make it like closer to you, so I can show you.
Prollard's got a spell that gives you like 300 health, 1,000 or something. It's ridiculous. All the hearts go like stacked up on top of each other.
Oh yeah, I know.
Have you seen that?
It's actually a command, actually.
Okay, what is it?
Some command. I don't use command. I told you, I only like use game mode.
Well, hang on. Let's have a look on GitHub because it'll be on there. GitHub.com. It'll be in Purposes 1. Perps go. Let's have a look. Yeah, here we go. Here's his Magikcraft spell. Last activity.
Did you like copy and paste them to me?
Okay, hang on. Let me see if I can find it. Health. I'm going to die. Low 1, 61. Magikcraft. SC, student, sublocation, test, TP to player, XD maybe? No, that's an exploding spell. Hey, Pralad, what's the name of that spell that gives you all that health?
Ah, what a pity.
What's the name of that spell that gives you heaps of health? Live?
Oh,
This
there
one?
it is.
Okay.
Try and copy and paste into Slack for me, I guess.
No. No, that's not gonna... I don't see how that would give you health. Maybe this one. Let's try this. Bye-bye. And call edge. Let's try this.
I like the word H, don't you? Can I press blocks?
Okay, that's kind of weird. Why is it got $_HTTP? Penny?
What the hell?
What? Okay, I don't even know what's going on here. Let's get rid of this.
Alright, and there's that Minecraft. Yeah. It's my son, yo. Alright, and there's that Minecraft. Yeah.
No, I have no idea what's going on here. Let's try this. Weird. Okay, don't know what's happening. Oh, duplicate file name. That's why. Health. Duplicate file name. Really? I've already got one called health.
No, you mean heal.
Weird. Okay.
Delete. I don't know.
Anyway.
Just call it live taker.
Yeah, but I don't know what this. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the spell is. Well, hang on. How are we gonna do this borders game? Like, how do you want this to work? So we can control the border now, right?
Yeah. So you've made the border, and
Yep.
the next step is making it go in slowly.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
You did show me that countdown spell, don't you?
Yep.
So like you just have to like implement it, I guess, into it.
Yeah.
And then like.
Okay. So
which is nice because like.
What's that?
So basically, if it moves in right, you suffocate. You have like a couple of seconds for any chance to move back in to live more. But yeah.
Okay. So let's go to border, right? Now. Okay, because it'll be kind of like a parkour game, right?
Do you want to make it a parkour game?
Well, the thing is, you've got to try and, I don't know, like, get into the center before it kills you, right?
Oh, I got a cool idea. I'm like, we can make it like a void ride, and we could like make it like just come in slowly, and we have to like try and jump and beat everyone, and whoever gets the first wins.
We could make it so that it starts from wherever it starts from, right?
Yeah.
And you don't know where it started from. So suddenly the border's coming towards you, but you don't know which direction it's going to come from.
That's interesting.
And then once you see it coming, you've got to run in the opposite direction because it's going to shrink down to a certain amount and then it will expand back out again.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Like, so like it shrinks down to a certain amount, right?
Yep.
And then like it starts growing.
Yeah.
Like suddenly.
So you can survive it, but only if you... And so that's why it's a parkour game, because you're going to have to run through some kind of...
Like we could use a jump spell with it too. Like...
Yeah, jumping and flying and whatever it takes to get through. And then you've got to try and stop the others from getting through. That'd be pretty cool.
Like Bible, yeah, it's a great
Yeah,
game.
okay.
We're awesome at making stuff on the spot.
Totally.
Yeah.
Totally. Okay, so...
Is this my water? Yes.
Yep, that's yours. Now, okay, so let's use a bar at the top, right? And we'll put the bar on the top, and what the bar will do, and the only thing is that it's only going to do this bar for the person who casts the spell, right?
Hmm.
So what we need to do then is we're going to have to go pretty... Well, let's just do it for one player and then we'll do it for multiple players, right? Okay. So, and we'll just use this timeout, so put that up the top. Okay. And we'll center it, just to start with, we'll center it on the person, right? Okay, so we set the border at 100, and then we're going to set the progress at... Okay, so we should make it green and it should go to red when it's getting smaller, right?
Okay, so
this is like border.
run.
Yeah, run. Yeah, okay, this is run.
For your
Run.
life.
Run for your life.
You have like so much stuff in like
Green.
MLG, you know, it's like
OG.
like MLG. That's what kids call it these days.
MLG, what's that?
So think about like they use like all the slag words like for like. Right. Wait, where's my hat? I want to be
Leet
MLG too.
Yeah, man. OG. MLG. What does MLG stand for? So start at 100,
Yeah,
right?
Rick and Morty, peoples. Rick and Morty's the best show ever. Young kids don't watch it. It's
Young kids, like what, 8 years old?
probably like 9-year-old. Yeah, 9 years old.
Okay, so
When you get life
percentage.
education about life, that's very bad.
For Rizzles.
Yeah, it's fine though. I like my iPhone down.
So the progress at the beginning should be 100, right? Okay, now.
Yeah.
So we're going to set a timeout, and it's going to happen every 1 second, right?
Yeah.
And then...
How about 2 seconds? Because I think 1 second is like...
Well, we can make a little amount every second, right? So we would do here, what would we make it? Like one block every... No, let's make it every half a second. 1 block every half second, right? And let's just watch what this looks like. So in here, we're going to say border set size, right? And then we're going to do border get size minus 1. 1 block a second. 2 blocks a second, maybe, right?
Okay, let's test it.
Okay.
And I'm probably gonna die. I might want to get where you are so I don't die instantly.
So we should probably... So we're going to do that, and we should set the progress to... Let's make it go down to the size of, like, 50, right? It's going to go down to a radius of 50.
Wow, that's actually quite massive when you think about it.
Well, I'm thinking 50 because if it's like 20, it could be like all inside a mountain or something. Maybe that's just part of the game, right? Let's make it 20. Okay, so final size equals 20, right?
If you lose, you lose. Deal with it.
Exactly. Final size equals 20. And so the current size...
I'm probably going to regret that, what I just said. I'm probably going to lose like tons of times.
Let's make a function here called shrink. Right?
Yeah.
And what shrink does is it
shrinks.
Well, it's going to get the size. Right, so... And then it's just going to return...
It seems more complicated about that, more than that game that we played. The other mini game we played, Split.
Yeah.
It seems more complicated.
Yeah, it might be a little bit more complicated. So return border.getSize minus 1. What's happening? My flux is like killing me here. Disable till sunrise. That's a bit better. Yay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so shrink. So we're going to say const new size equals border dot get size minus 1, because we're going to return the new size, but I also want to update this bar. So return the new size. So we're going to do a bit of a side effect in here, where we're going to say we're going to go b.progress, and it's going to be, so the total amount that it's going to do is going to be the size const total amount. This is a bit of percentage maths. It's going to be size maths, yeah, minus the final size.
Wait, what is it? Percentage?
Yeah. So that's the total
Oh, yeah.
amount, and then we're gonna divide the new size by that. And then multiply that by 100, and that would give us, but we're not going to multiply by 100, we'll multiply by 20. And we'll call it bar progress. Bar progress. And then we're not just going to return the new size, we're going to actually do border.setSize new size. Right?
What if like we start like for the game, right? Like the game starts like we can't, like there's a pressure plate like right next to the where we start, but we can't get it because of the border. So it shrinks, right, and then you have to like expand. So you have to, and then it'll expand to that pressure plate so you can step on it.
A pressure plate?
Yeah, like a pressure plate with fireworks will go off or something like that.
Hey, that'd be cool.
Yeah, fireworks.
Let me see if this works. I mean, I've done like a bunch of changes without testing anything. What could possibly go wrong?
Everything.
All the things. Let's try it out.
Possibly.
Cast border. Ding. 38. Unexpected token.
Is it gonna shrink? Oh, yeah. Cost.
Oh. What have I done here? Let's have a look. Back to the game. Unexpected token on line 38. Okay.
38. Oh, wait, 38's down, isn't it?
It is, it is. Well, let's try this. So right click and I say format the document. This can sometimes show you where the error happens. No, looks good.
There is no 48.
There is no 38 yet. It's
Why does it do that sometimes in spellbook? It like says there's an error in a line, but the
line doesn't exist?
Yeah.
Reason is that when we save the spell, it gets transpiled, gets converted into a different type of JavaScript that can run in Minecraft.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Run for your life. Okay. We've got the bar there. Is the border changing its size? Let's have a look. It doesn't look like it is, right? It looks like it's just staying static. Let's have a look. Is it moving? No, it's not.
2, 3, yeah, something.
No. Okay, so let's have a look. Shrink.
Well, that plan failed.
Yeah, set timeout. Ah, this should be set interval. Right? And then, okay, we're going to have to do this. We're going to have to go let, not even let, const, loop equals set interval, right? And then we need to say in here, like right at the top, if new size equals final size. If new size equals final size, this is when the game over condition occurs, right? So we should do, first of all, we should go magic.clearInterval, loop, stop the timer, and then we should also border.setSize back to 60 million.
-1.
Okay, there we go. And then b.text, game over. Cool.
Game over, suckers.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Let's try this out. Respawn. Oh, what happened? Why did I die?
Like, I just look at you with smart.
Cast. Okay, double tap. Cast. Oh, slain by Mr. Shockboard. Cast.
Yeah.
Border.
I'm the best. I like how this. Wait, where did you go? Oh, there. I don't think the border's moving.
Yeah, okay, that's a newbie mistake.
Moving? Did you just say moving mistake?
No, newbie.
Oh, I thought you said moving mistake. Like, what moving mistake?
Cast. Border.
It's too long for your life.
Is it moving? Is it moving? Yeah.
I can see it. I don't know if it's moving. Is it?
Set interval is not defined. Aha. Okay. No problem. It should be magic.setInterval. And then I could put like a. Yeah. Okay. So I disconnect and reconnect.
Okay. Do I have to too?
Nah, you don't have to. This is just gonna give me
Oh, the new line for like run for your life.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
Cast border. Think. Okay, it's loading my module still. Reloading my engine. Cast border. Okay.
I wish our
Run for your
animals
life.
die too.
Is it coming in? Is it coming in?
What? It's coming in.
Is it
Run
really?
for your life.
Is it really coming in?
Yeah, it is. Look on my screen.
Oh yeah. No, it's coming in. I can see it. Ah. Okay.
Look on my screen quickly. Like the further you get out of it, it's slowly.
Okay,
the
more damage
health.
to take. Quick, get in.
Like the further away from you are is more damage. Who's
Yep.
gonna win? I will win. I may play dirty.
What?
I said I may play dirty. Oi!
Eat that. I just killed myself too. I just blew up all the things.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
that was a little bit overpowered, but whatever. Whatever it takes to win. Okay, game over.
Wait, game over where? Don't you dare run!
Game over right there. Right
Oi.
there. Right
Oi.
there.
Okay, that's a bit dead. Wait, I just swear I saw an apple.
Yeah, that's a little bit overpowered, that thing. And then cast border.
I want that spell.
Border and 50. Bam. Here it
Oh,
comes.
no.
Here it comes. Run for your life. You died. Respawn. Huh. If you quit out of the world and come back, it'll reset. Let's quit out. So, disconnect.
No. Wait, I must win. Oh, I got an achievement. Cool. Isn't that awesome?
Okay.
Wait. Okay, look. I lived to tell a tale. I lived to tell a tale. Isn't that awesome?
Goodbye.
Oi! You kicked me!
Yeah, man.
You kicked me! What did I ever do to you?
No, that's how we're going to reset the world. Now, if we reconnect, it'll be reset. It'll be pristine. Oh, okay, no. Gotta stay out for longer. Hang on, you gotta stay out for longer. You gotta stay out for longer. You gotta stay out for a couple seconds. Yeah, well. Yeah, it will be, it will be. Okay, so what else do we want to do? So, hang on, the bars are not working properly at the moment. We want those bars to accurately reflect the state of the... refresh. And then the other thing is we want all the players to have bars, right?
No, I came in.
Okay, good. Looks good. We want all the players to have bars.
How will we do that?
So there's this thing called the event bus.
The event bus? What's the event bus?
What? Where am I? Okay.
Oh yeah, you're in the ground because remember you left
cast.
and
I'm in the ground,
like,
right?
you
run
right
tests.
on the spawn. Like you're completely right on the spawn.
Okay. That sucks. Is that gonna happen to me every time? No. Okay, good. Okay. Hey, man.
Hey, don't play dirty again. You know, I can turn to game mode if I want. So let me find my spell.
Okay. Now, cast. Let's have a look. Border. Here it is. Wow! It just went straight down. Why'd it do that?
Oh, look. Hacks. Whee! I can't break stuff.
Oh, I know why. There actually should be times 100 because the API for this bar is that it actually works as a percentage. It's just a brilliant piece of technology. If I do say so myself. Back to the game.
Yeah, you say it yourself
because I wrote it. Run for your life, and then when it gets smaller, it should, back to the game, it should go down to how small should it go. See, it's coming all the way down, right? Look at that. Wah, and it finished. Okay,
and
so...
then we needed to actually start going back out again.
Now, we should go if...
I want to build my cubby. I want to build a cubby up inside
if bar progress, so when should it go red? Is less than 20%? Make it go red?
Less than 20%.
Less than 25.
And if it's, it will turn orange after less than 50%, and it will turn green if it's 100%.
Okay.
That's actually how Minecraft durability works, actually. Isn't that funny?
Orange, you reckon?
Yeah, orange.
If bar progress
for below 50, it's orange.
Okay.
Any high is green.
Yeah, okay, b.color, color.yellow. Let's try that. And we should reverse these because we don't want the yellow to override the red. So put that in there like that. Save that. Okay, back here, back to the game, and cast, double tap, cast border. There you go. Look at that. It's green. It's at 100%.
I'm
Is
just
it coming
actually
in?
watching.
Is it coming in? It's coming in, but my percentage is not going down. Oh, now it's coming down. Look at that.
Let's watch.
Look at it come down. That's pretty cool, huh? Look at this. Watch this. Once it hits 50%, it'll go yellow. That's my prediction. Well, I don't know if there is an orange for these bars. I can check. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is good, man. Run for your life. And then it's coming down, and now it's going to go red.
Wait, why is there still a game over though?
Oh, because I haven't gotten rid of it. Oh. What?
It's because
okay, hang on.
You need to make it shrink smaller, I guess.
Maybe the final size. See that's it's the final size. The final size is set here. It's 20. So if new size, so bar progress equals the new size divided by size. So that's the first size, 100 minus the final size, so 80. 100 minus 20, so that's 80. So the distance that it's going to travel is going to be 80. The new size, oh, okay, so that should be plus the final size. So in that case, whatever, let's just try that. Will that work? Who can say? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just pressing buttons. Let's see what this does.
That's what I do when I start a new game. I just literally press random buttons when I start a new game.
That's how I program, man. Let's try stuff out and see what happens. Sometimes I understand what I'm doing. Sometimes I don't understand that until after I've done it. Probably if I got a pen and paper out, I could figure it out, but I'm just going to...
You're just doing it like instantly.
Ghetto programming, man. Let's see what this does. Okay, come on now. It's going to go orange. Is it going to get to orange? It should go all the way down to 0 before it quits out. Look at that. Look, it's gone red. Oh, and then it dies there. And that's like at... that's like the final size is 20, so it's actually at 20% when it stops. So maybe we need to do new size plus final size, like this. Okay, pretty sure that this will do it. So I should prioritize that. This doesn't really need to be prioritized because it might do. No, it's this, but it doesn't actually need this. But I'm gonna put it in there. Okay. Save. Okay, let's run this one. I'm going to quit to get rid of these bars. I'll figure out a way to get rid of the bars too. Disconnect. Okay, yeah, so we'll have to use the event bus to push the the bars to everyone. This will be cool. This is what the event bus is designed for.
You know, it probably would be like the hardest thing in the world, but you know, it'd be kind of cool if like you make the blocks and you make blocks and stuff goes down, like blocks. Probably would be like the hardest possible thing in the world, but.
Like blocks coming down to crush you?
Oh no, like so like in the air, like for the bar, it'll be like in the air made out of wool blocks, right? And like every time it goes down, it goes down. It'll be really cool. Don't you think?
Yeah, it'll be a different game completely, obviously. Maybe the way to do this one will be everyone gets teleported to the same place, and then that wall just starts coming from a random direction, like right close to you.
Like you get like a minute to start bolting for it, right?
What? Okay, that was even worse. So, okay, I'm going to do this then. Okay. Okay, here we go. What? Okay. Go down.
I wanted to show you. Look, the server uses it. The skyblock. He uses the wall. Isn't that cool?
Oh, yeah.
Also, what light on the statue?
Huh, that's cool.
I haven't fixed the airs though.
Okay, here it comes. It's going down. It's about to hit 25%. Here it goes. And okay, that's more like it. But it's kind of weird at the beginning, but whatever. Game over. Okay.
What if like when
That's
game
cool.
over, whoever hasn't, or like there could be like a little area.
So, okay, let's do this then. So let's go MVTP. Oh. MVTP World Kegum, right? Okay, I'm gonna go here. You in? You in?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Oh wait, actually no, I'm not in. I just realized I'm not in.
Okay. And then
Oh, I thought I was in.
here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this into an actual game, right? Like this. So where we're gonna start it from is not from where the player is, right? Do you know how X, Y, and Z works in Minecraft? The dimensions, which one's which?
I think.
Well, let's just do a little test to see, right? So we'll go like this. So
Wait,
new spell, we're going to call this one T-lock, like this. I'm going to go const here equals magic dot hit,
and what's the
right? And then I'm going to go here dot set x, here dot get x plus 5. This will tell me which the domain magic dot ui here. Okay. Okay, this is gonna like teleport me. So if I go cast T-lock,
gonna disappear.
okay, look. Watch this. Oh, what?
Oh.
I'm inside a building.
Oh, there you are.
It's teleported through into the building. Okay, so X is obviously
like
some. Well,
I
this
find it
dimension
easiest to draw a map because I'm pretty sure Y is downwards and X is sideways.
Okay, and so Z. Let's try Z then.
Like, could you give me a map? I'll actually go give myself a map.
Let's try it now. Oh yeah, so Z is sideways, right?
Yeah. I'll just go to the map quickly.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do then. So X and Z are forward and back, and Y is up and down, right?
Okay. So yeah. So Y is down.
Yep.
X is sideward.
Okay, so X and Z is, so we're gonna just randomly place it. So we want to move the center of this thing. So if here is this here, right? Now we're gonna randomly add.
Pick somewhere.
Yeah, we're gonna randomly so say const z delta equals math dot random. Ta-da! And then multiply that by, what, 100? Let's do 100 to begin with. And then we're going to go const x delta equals the same thing. Math.random multiplied by 100 and then minus 50. Haha! Same thing here.
I'm confused with this phone, so I'm just going to watch.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, so then I'm just going to go here dot set z. And then we're going to go here dot get z plus z delta, and then here dot set x, here dot get x plus x delta.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's much easier when I look in.
So I'm going to get a random, so border set center in some random place.
Maybe like it depends, like so like if it's in the Kingdom world, right?
Yep.
The center could be like, you could like try and map out like where is the one side and one side is that.
Okay, hang on.
Like,
stand by. You ready? Okay, ready? Here we go. Cast. Watch this. Border. Bam. Look at this.
What's the center?
Who knows where the center is, right? That's the thing.
I don't even know where the border is.
I know you don't know where the center is. That's the thing.
So let me see where I turn it. I'm gonna try.
Can you see the border?
Yeah. So I think the fountain would be.
Okay.
I think around the fountain.
You've got to kind of guess where the center is.
Okay.
So you can see it coming in, right?
Yep. Wait.
Here it comes.
In the water. Gosh,
The other way we can do it is we can start the border like right next to you, but you don't know which way it's going. Like
Right.
literally, so it immediately starts and you just got to run. We should make it go faster. It's too slow. It should go almost as fast as you can run. So
yeah,
that'd be
because
sick.
then like you could easily like run away from this. Like, so, look, I'm already over here.
Yeah, it's too slow. Let's
Yeah,
make
way
it
too
faster.
slow. Make it like
Okay,
what,
here it comes.
like 10 blocks per
So
second.
now the center is going to be over here somewhere. 10 blocks per second.
Like
Okay.
10 blocks per second.
Here comes. The center is going to be inside this building. See, now it gets interesting, right? Because you've got to try and figure out where you're going to go.
Yep, definitely in the building. Run to the building.
In the building?
Yeah, run,
Okay.
run.
Uh-oh. Okay, now it's actually got a little bit interesting. Okay, it's time for that building entrance thing that you said. Like this. I'm going to go inside the building.
You took my idea.
Yeah, I did. Hey, look out, man. Look out. Hey, get out of the way. Ah! Hey, man, I'm trying to get inside the building. Where's the border? Oh, it's finished. Okay. Let's make it 10. Let's make it 10 per second then, hey?
Yeah,
10 blocks per second. Hang on, so shrink, and then, okay, so constant's final size here. So I'll put these up the top so you can see them. Okay. The final size goes up here. And then the other thing is, what, the amount of blocks per second?
Yeah.
So blocks per second, right? And you reckon 10?
Yeah.
So actually it should be 5 because it's every half a second.
Oh,
So
yeah.
down here, instead of saying get size -1, I say blocks per second. They're not really blocks per second, but whatever. Close enough for rock and roll. Am I right? Okay, you ready?
Or am I right?
You ready? Am I right or am I right? Okay,
I
there it
don't
is.
know.
It's started. Run for your life.
I just
Where's the
realized we
border?
could have just. I'm in game mode. I could just run on top of the road.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I know where it is. It's on this tree here.
Here it's coming in. That's a little bit more exciting, isn't it? Whoa! Whoa! Okay, game over. We're going to make the final size smaller, I think.
Yeah,
Like, make it like
it's way
10.
too small. Yeah, I could easily run.
Final size 10. You ready? Okay, here we go with
Oh,
another
this is
game.
fun. This
Okay,
is so fun.
here
I
it
don't know why.
comes.
It's so simple but so fun. It's,
I'll wait till we get it so that it starts right next to him. You've got to start running immediately. Okay, here it comes. It's coming in. It's coming in.
It's gonna be
Whoa!
here.
Oh man, I'm taking damage,
Bro.
dude. This is fast.
Oh jeez.
Get in the house. Okay, that's it. Okay, cool.
Hey,
Try it again.
could
It
I
started.
invite some friends?
It started.
Could I
Sure.
invite some friends? I have
Yeah.
some friends actually on Discord.
Yeah. Okay. Tell them to come and play.
Okay, I have to, they don't even know what the hell Magikcraft is, so,
Well, that's okay.
we can
Oh, I'm suffocating, man. This is so fast. I can't get back inside it. Okay, now it's good. Now it's a good game.
Okay,
Now it's a good game.
let me just, hey guys.
Okay. Border size 200.
I'm doing some stuff with Josh here. Want to come into the server and play a game we've created? Spent the last hour or two creating.
It's the
It's,
world's ultimate mini game.
Yeah, you can see it. It's very hard, and I think you'll like it. So, let me put the. I'll put it in the IP. Develop. What you never need enough sugar cane, don't you? Oh, let me see how you spelled it.
This is develop.magiccraft.io.
Yep. Develop.
It's the legendary Josh Wolf, as seen on the internet.
Yep. He doesn't know who you are.
I don't know what you mean.
Yeah, dude, you just got to Google it. The Googles.
Just go on this, go to this IP address.
Magikcraft.
Yeah. Well, hey, well, it's
No,
something.
there would be stupider names than that, man.
Yep.
Like, let me give you an example. Sorry, what was your name?
Wow, I think he just roasted you, dude.
Hashtag lol.
I'm just going to server IP.
Oh man, this is ridiculous, man.
Oi!
Dude, wait till you see what happens in this one.
Oh, you took that game mode off me. No.
Really, last time someone did it to me, I snapped it on purpose.
Oh, wait, really?
Wow.
Oh, fudge, dude.
So just go on the server IP. Just go on the server IP I sent you on Discord.
Oh man, this game is so good. Literally the best game of all time.
What are you doing?
We
It's,
made board
it's new.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm just gonna go test it out, okay? Okay. Can I just say this? The second you say it's literally the best thing ever.
No, you can't say it.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, the fountain was this time I knew it. You
How's that funny?
suffocated. How sad are you? Like literally. I
Oh man,
can't
I'm
even-
suffocating.
What do we have? What's this?
I want to give you a mystery. You love oh my gosh, it's so high. Stop it.
I am winning.
Oh wait, you trying to develop another
Me
server?
too.
So you got. Oh man, it's 30 seconds. It's
Oh, 1.11.
Yeah.
yeah, man. It's
Sorry.
classic, the classic version. Like back when Minecraft was really good.
It's still good.
No, it's
lit-
retro, man.
Well, it just adds more things.
It's like disco.
What, retro, like some sort of like an old style or something?
Yeah, man. Old school, like back in the Middle Ages
you
and
should
stuff.
actually upgrade the Magikcraft thing.
Alright, let's do it then.
Yeah, sure, man.
Wait till Bonnie gets
Well,
in.
I can see you here. I got no
Dude, warp Kigum. Warp Kigum. There we go.
Oh. I got no connection at all from that thing.
Bonnie, are you gonna come in?
Trying. Welcome to the town of Kingdom.
Well, you're not trying hard enough, obviously.
Okay, I got
Okay, you ready, man? You ready? I'm gonna start it. Okay, cast border. Okay, it's starting. Okay, so the world border is enclosing.
Bonnie, you need to change your version to 1.11.
Yeah. You have to like log out. Watch out, you might.
You gotta find out.
What is this?
You gotta get into the middle of it
No,
somehow before you die, and it stays like this for 30 seconds.
cast.
I cannot even get out of it.
No, it'll go bigger in a second.
Boom.
should-
I saved myself.
We should make it even smaller.
No, don't.
See, this is what
Can you even
I've.
get out?
Yeah, stop it, Josh. So,
Hang on.
TP all.
This one, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gone.
I don't even know.
SCP-106.
How am I even taking spells or whatsoever?
Yeah,
Hang on.
it's this is a spell. Run. You run from the border. Oh my gosh, it's enclosing so quickly. Help.
Ow, 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 ow.
Ah.
Push me, I'm about to die,
Boom.
Oh
We're,
my god, stop.
Swearing never solved anything, Seb. Just sink. Let that sink. Stop being such a sore loser.
TP everyone to you, man.
I
TP
don't-
everyone.
How?
TP all.
Yeah, I don't have access.
Okay, give me a second. I'll give it to you.
There's a portal.
Hey, what?
Being silly, like,
Come on, you have to eat this.
yeah, he does.
TP everyone. Come on, man. Stop being such a holdout.
I can't. I don't have access to the command.
Okay, man. What's up with all these zombies?
Well, Or give me the command and I can TP all.
Okay, hang on. So I gotta go. Hang on. This one. Hang on. Let me get up here. Okay. Hang on. Let's see. Picks.
This is so funny to watch. Like,
Mr. Shockboard.
hey, where are you guys? Where are you? Oh, look, there's a big hole. I'm just gonna go
Try
find
that.
crazy.
See if you can do it now.
That's a lot of zombies.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so we're up on the. Hang on. Time to throw some lightnings. Cast CL. Eat this. Zombies.
This is what we can do. And all you can do is just do nothing, literally. That's literally all you can do.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to make those spells though.
I'm not going for the PS. I'm about to die from fire.
I'm on fire.
Yeah, you are.
Oh my god.
Oh no, the border is coming in again.
Oh.
Where?
Oh.
God. Run. Oh, shoot.
Oh, Jesus. I'm now.
Ah! I'm suffocating.
I'm in the.
I'm in it as well.
I actually just walked here. I was actually just hit. Wow.
Oh, fucking thank God. Stop shorting the border wall. Come on, it's annoying.
What am I doing up here? Hang on, let's go down into here.
You love a gun.
To show you what we can do.
Zombie.
What? You like what I can do?
If you do this, this will give you do this.
I'm trying to find some iron now.
Don't worry, just do the spells, and then you can
How
burn
am I
them.
doing it with a spell?
If you go /spellbook, you can get them.
How about we teleport them to like the start of the game and we can see them?
Okay, so if you go warp tutorial, right?
Can you just teleport me out of Sucker's phone?
Just give us the credit for testing it.
Yeah, we're gonna teach you how to code. You're welcome.
Not how to code, I guess it's do something. Welcome to the land of kingdom. In the world of magic.
No,
Nope.
It's hardcore.
Sadly.
hardcore parkour. It's hardcore
I need
parkour.
some chicken. Can you give me some chicken?
Yeah. Okay, I'll give you some chicken, guys.
Hey, give me apple.
No.
Because you put the difficulty on normal, so we're losing food fast.
Hey, here. Here's some food.
That's a rabbit.
Yeah, who cares? It's food.
Fun. Oh. Oh, I don't have the access to the command. You get the feed and heal, but nothing else. It's the power that allows the people to do impossible things and say magic words. But take it away from Mr. Bean.
Wait, Mr. Bean?
Yeah. Dude, why are you breaking the bridges?
So you can parkour. It is possible.
No, this is just,
Oh, dude.
fuck you. No, this is now 5 block jump. This is not
Oh, dude. No. No.
Wait, you're in survival?
I'm in hardcore parkour.
Oh, man.
Dude, now it's impossible because now we don't get, now it's a 5 block jump.
Wait, guys, I'll teleport to you where you need to do the code.
I found it. Hold up, I'm coming. Up. Yep, never mind.
Just copy this into your thing, and then click on the link.
Magic roller.
Parkour.
Play Magikcraft. I'm just gonna let it load it until it's gonna load up. Oh, there we go. Start tour, yeah. Sign in with us, so.
What's it called again? Could you actually send that to me in Slack, please, for me?
Why do we have to use that username and password?
You have to have a GitHub account to use the code.
I just use mine. Oh wait, they will have it, don't they?
Yeah, you just get a GitHub account.
It's not
It's
that
free.
bad. It's free,
Plus, that's where all the spells are.
and you could like take spells and they overpower everyone. Isn't that amazing?
The border code. Let me find it for you. It's not finished yet, the game.
I know, but I want what's what. What's what though? Yeah, now you just
And you
type
can
it
do
in.
start tour.
Username.
Oh, you just make up your own username. This is what it looks like outside. I've always wondered, actually. It's what? Wait, quick question. Why is there a block? Is this like? Did you just build this so you could copy and paste it in?
Don't know. Probably actually. That's probably what that is doing there. Yeah. You gotta. Did you verify your? You gotta verify your email address.
Username may only contain alphanumeric characters. What does that even mean?
Letters and numbers.
So,
It's very hard teaching you through a screen. Like Samuel the other day.
It's like trying to teach a retarded fish to ride a bicycle.
Burn. But
For,
it isn't
if you're
his website,
if
but
you're a retard and a fish and you're trying to ride a bicycle, probably it would be difficult to use the website at the same time.
he's basically saying you're retarded.
I never said that, dude.
oh, I can't send can't use space or underscore. Seriously? Yeah. I'm trying to do that and I can't fucking.
Yeah, man, you can't use an emoji for your username.
What prints?
Exactly.
Symbol.
Unless you're
Okay, create account with my clan.
the artist formerly known as Prince.
R.I.P.
Yeah, public red. Storage.
So we need to use the event bus. It's a significant refactor in this thing.
There's a magic word. There's 3 names. Or 3 names.
Easy.
I instantly took about 50 minutes. That's not like
Congrats.
I'm not going to set any organization, okay? I'm going to do that. Taylor yours. Is that this? Why not?
And look at me. Look at me if I say hi.
Taking inventory. Fuck off, shit. I'm climbing up the giant wood thing.
That's gonna achieve nothing.
It's so fucking dark.
Why?
Stop closing it off.